Hello guys, hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna talk about why did the dot coms become dot bombs. Some dot coms are now profitable. That means most are not, and that excludes the already failed ones. There are lots of casualties out there. You won't have got this fear without having read of the many spectacular features, failures. Boo.com, Click Mango. E-Twice, there is even an infactual website that tracks failing e-businesses and marks their downfall. www.thisboy.com/ghosteds. What goes wrong? By the end of this section, you will know why they failed and how failed could have been avoided. The reasons given are also typical in e-business and how failure could have been avoided. The reasons given are also typical e-business failure. You will be able to apply these tests to your own or another company's plans and assess the risk factors and then be able to revise the plan to increase the chances of success. We will show you why they failed and how failure could have been avoided, but long before any one thought of e-business, it was an accepted truth that most new businesses fail. So before you consider the e-biz aspects of your e-business, ensure that the non-e specific aspects are all working and on track. The 9 failure criteria. First, bad idea in the first place. There is no market. Much of the talk of the new economy is about new business models and revenue models. Clearly, if these fail, the business will fail. The important patterns in failure all have to do with time. You run out of cash. The environment changes. Investors appreciate change. Marketer change. Morale change. But that does not mean you can't control these to a great extent. Many dot coms did not have crystal clear propositions which actually satisfied real needs. A clever bit of web technology is not a propositional a solution, not even a product. Second, bad production or delivery. Above all, though, is failure down to the product or service itself? Was it just a bad idea in the first place? Sometimes there is a gap in the market because there really is no market. The proverbial taking cools to new castle. However, the ideas may have been good but recalled by bad production or delivery. Third, management inexperience or inflexibility. If management is a key to success, it can also be a key to failure. E-business bosses are typically younger than leaders of traditional companies. They may lack business experience in key areas and failure results. Equally, traditional managers often can't copy with the flattering enterprise. They lack the flexibility, creativity, and sheer nervous to do anything other than stick to plan A. The e-business has to be able to respond to trend changes and rapidly alter plans. Sometimes investors are their own worst enemies. Lack of financial control at Boo.com, whose fault was that? For failure to create a Nike and stick to it until it works. To move from profit seeking to profit making, you need to sell more, not spend more. Too many e-businesses do not later opening European offices, further developing the technology without addressing the reasons why they are not making profits. Going for the Nike is all very well, but customers are pragmatics and expect to see a whole product. They won't buy your brilliant idea if you can't manufacture it, sell it, deliver it, and service it. Hence, the failure so far of scheme to reward internet usage. 5. Trying to create the e-business in isolation from the whole of the value network. One solution is to address the value network problem. Should the new e-business try and create the entire network or reel in partners and associates with specialisms in each segment? Maybe even embrace suppliers as partners. 6. Company focused on the product or service and not on the customer's needs. If the e-business failed to focus on customer need, business failure is guaranteed. It is too easy in the flush of enthusiasm for a new idea to forget to ask, does anyone want to buy this? 7th, product service badly marketed. Underestimate the marketing and you will fail. This is the myth of 100 million users without a mother business to fall back on. There is a lot of marketing to do. Thus, you now find a www address on almost every product label and every newspaper and outdoor advert. Remembering marketings from piece, product, price, placement and promotion. Market leaders are not always the best of breed of a product, but they are nearly always the best marketer. 8. Investor panic. The media's examples show that investor enthusiasm can rapidly evaporate. Results are not delivered. 9. Technology not ready and not delivering. Technology solutions take time to develop and redefine. If not delivering in the meantime, the brand and revenue stream will be damaged. Thank you for watching.